Ben Duckett. So extra spin coming in for both teams. And in the case of England, King off the mark straight away. And when we talk about matchups favourable,
something will happen, something has happened. Something's happened beautifully as well. So the response to that,
has he hit it well enough? He might, he might just. That's 6 hitting prowess, 2 in the over, 19 without. That might be 4 more, and Rashid stumbled to his left, but was beaten by the pace of it. So Mayers into the action to follow Brandon King. Largely it has to be straight. Good use of the feet from King.
yeah, what's clever and special about
That's very well played, because he tried to make him drag it, but King got enough power to go down the ground.
Picked up well. Square of the wicket is extremely strong for Kyle Mayers, who continues to show promise. Goes straight up. Will take some catching this because of that swirling wind, but excellently taken by Sam Curran. England have their first.
yeah, this.
It's gone very high. This is a big opportunity for England, and Wilkes makes no mistake. Adil Rashid, as always, strikes crucially.
Yeah, Nicholas Puran trying to take him. Clean him up. Rian Ahmed following his mentor Adil Rashid picks up a wicket in his very first over. We've seen the potency of that googly. What a delivery. Edge and taken. Faster delivery from Adil Rashid. Caught at the crease, and Shimon Meyer just manages to end.
Very straight and much needed from King. First boundary, 21 deliveries for the West Indies.
Yeah, that was the googly, but it was a little too full.
And is it hit well enough? Yes, it is hit well enough. Chris Wilkes is shaking his head down there at long off, because he thought that will be 50 for Brandon King. Played with poise, elegance in a relatively tough. He has climbed into that. That is the power that we.
They're just trying a big.
Inside edge, we will get a boundary, fortuitous though it may be. Rothman Paul moves on to 26. Hello,
The West Indies rescue the situation.
slapped. That was absolutely smashed by Rothman Powell.
You could almost say he took the hardest option.
And again, that is monstrous from Rothman Powell. He is a powerful player, and he's showing his. Wow, that was the best of them so far from Rothman Powell. We've seen a few far. And again, it keeps getting even more expensive. We're losing adjectives to describe Rothman.
Awesome.
Does he get enough of it? What a catch! Simply sensational from Harry Brook.
Well,
Bludgeoned. That is brute force from Brandon King. Short, but hits it straight back past the
opportunities.
Over extra cover this time. One bounce. Brandon King is taking over from where his captain left. And 6 more. Gets the height. And all the way. It's entertainment, royal and regal. That was the minute it left the bat. There was only going to be one result. Pace on and
country. This is
only Andrew Russell. People off the ground and still manages a 6. Muscle Russell. A slow delivery works finally for Timal Mills. Short, slower one. Jason Holder makes connection, but not enough. Holds out in the deep. 2 wickets to end the innings. Before
on his hands. Compared to Salt. That's nicely timed. And that will be the first 4 of this England reply. Beautifully timed, beautifully placed.
Now this is why he's.
The simplest of catches, accepted with glee. All those machinations work against the simplest of chances. Well, he's away. Will Jacks is away with a lovely shot. Placed and timed. That's different. This is a different tactic altogether. Again, just that little shimmy with the feet. But what a contact that is from Phil Saw. Well, that's clever. There's a bit of power involved as well, but the footwork was good. So the setup was great for Will Jacks. And this time Hussain didn't...
And Will Jacks is so prolific through extra cover. Continues to be. Continues going wide, Andre Russell, but Phil Saul is just too good. 51 for 1 at the end of the power play. This could be a chance. It is the chance, taken superbly by Powell. The pull shot again to the detriment of Saul. Sam Curran has shown good pedigree with that pull shot. Couple of boundaries in this series already.
Yes, in the one-day international.
Could have him again. Hasn't got enough distance on it. And it's taken by Holder. Wells at long on.
Discussing, you need your long on in position if you're going to go.
Yeah, that was crunch. The sound off the bat is something to behold in the gap and gets the 4. 2 is the call. Gets 4. Really good placement. So we've seen the power in the previous delivery. And this was more finesse. Wow. 4-4-6. Expensive.
Giving a bit of a taste of his own medicine.
Crunched again. The sound of the bat is so sweet. Andrew Russell taken to the cleaners, and that over 22 is what he conceded. High, who wants it? Rothman Powell wants it. Rothman Powell takes it. So the pressure that he's been creating finally brings some reward. And the dangerous Liam Livingston in there will be taken, will it? Yes, comfortably pouched. Good bowling for Brook.
You're forcing him to play on the offside because of the...
Latched onto it. So I think it was pace.
Yes, great shot. Yeah, fingers over the top of the ball, but just that bit of width that opens up those shoulders.
6 of them. Great way to start the over.
Just get the feeling that Andre Russell...
He goes like stamped, well tickled. 10 in the first 2 for Sam Curran. 40. He does. It's out there. It should be taken. It's a chance. It's taken. Shades on for Akil Hussain as he looks into the sun as it goes down. Well, you'll have to take that because again he stuck to his plan of trying to go across Moeen. Goodness me. Well, he's destroyed that plan with these 2 shots from Moeen Ali. Oh.
Well, I'm not too proud to eat my words. That was fantastic.
Down to Hetmeyer, who's been catching well this series, and he continues in that fashion. And Jason Holder has been brilliant in this over. Now he goes in the slot. Again, he's missed. I'm guaranteeing you, he's missed his line, not so much the length. And Ali had that little shuffle across. It's an incredible shot to go all the way for 6 from Rehan Ahmed, but too little. So that will go for another boundary.